Right, starting with 2x2, we have the GAN 251M. Yes, it's outdated, and yes, it's overpriced, but I bought it, and it's the best 2x2 I currently have, because the other one is a $5 one. So what I really like about this cube is it just has a nice feel. I don't know how to describe it, but like no other cube I've felt has this feel. The string was replaced because I lost the GAN string. On to 3x3. I use the Moyu RS3M 2020. I know it's pretty old, but I opened it from the wrong side. As I was saying, it's pretty old, but performs well. And I'm not going to open the accessory box. I'm too lazy to do that. So, yeah, no, it's just, everything is good about this cube, except one problem, and that's the noise. I do find when I use this, like, sometimes people will come up to me and they'll be like, can you stop that? It's really annoying. But, I mean, other than that, it's pretty good. Right, the MGC 4x4, do I really need to say anything here? It's much cheaper than most 4x4s, and yet it performs like a beast. I mean, I don't know, there's just something about the feel. When you first get this 4x4, you probably won't like the feel because of how blocky it is. But just trust me, use it a bit, and you'll start to enjoy it. When I got this cube, I was like, oh, what a cute little box. But no, this box really undermines the cube. It's so compact, but the Moyu Ultron WRM 5x5 is a beast. Trust me. Listen to this sound. Excuse my terrible turning. I don't normally practice 5x5, but when I do, it's always a joy to use this one. It's also, I haven't lubed it in a while, but when I release my how to set up a cube video, you'll see how I lube it. Oh, what did I do? I never practiced this cube, but I have it, and I want to show it off. So, here we are. I didn't do an example solve on the 5x5, but there's a reason why. Yeah, with big cubes, from what I found, tighten it like really tight, and don't try and corner cut, or it'll pop. Like, I mean, this one's just amazing. It can do, a 6x6 can do that, wow. But if you try anything fancy, yeah, there we go. It'll get nice catch. So yeah, we're just gonna do this so that you can't see the 5x5. There we go. Now it looks solved. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is a very eventful video. I've got a lot of boxes to tidy up over there, but that's a different story. See you in the next one.